The Mi 11X Pro is 5G enabled. It is slim and lightweight and comes with DisplayMate A+ and an IP53 rating. It is available in Celestial Silver, Cosmic Black and Lunar White colors. The phone comes with two variants to choose from: 8GB RAM plus 128GB internal memory and 8GB RAM plus 256GB internal memory that allows for seamless multitasking. Mi 11X Pro has a 6.67-inch FHD AMOLED Dot Display with HDR10+ support for an immersive viewing experience. The 120Hz refresh rate and 360Hz touch sampling ensures a smooth scrolling experience. The phone comes with dual speakers with Dolby Atmos support. The phone comes with a 108MP triple rear camera with 8MP ultra-wide and 5MP super macro camera. It also features a 20MP front camera. Powered by MIUI 12, based on Android 11 with Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 octa-core processor, the phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. Mi 11X comes with a 4520 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charger. The box includes handset, power adapter, USB cable, SIM eject tool, warranty card, user guide, clear soft case, screen protector pre-applied on the phone and Type-C to 3.5mm converter. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.